Hello student. Now today we are going to learn our another experiment of VLSI design. So my this new experiment is of program for half subtractor. As you can see here in this connection I am going to teach you the program of half subtractor. Okay, so what I have to do here, I am going to write the program over your Xilinx software. In this also I have assigned my two input. As you can see here, X and Y are two input, whereas D is output and B also a output. So what is here D and B? So D and B is here output. Okay. B is stand for borrow. And like that, as you can see here, I am going to employ here XOR gate for D, and B I am going to here a NOT gate and an AND gate. So now let's come over to the my Xilinx software. Okay. Now let us start. I double click over this. Here you have to manage another project by going to click on new project. As you can see, the window appear, and no, here half sub you have to write, then click the next. The window will appear. After then you have to just finish over this. Now in this window again I have to add new sources to employ this program. Now I have to select VHDL module and choose a name randomly. You can choose any name randomly. Then next, the window will ask you about input and output. Okay, so no brainer there is. As you know about that, X and Y is my input and D and B are my output. So I just plug in here small x. I just plug in here X, Y, D and B. Okay, so X and Y my input and D and B are my outputs. Okay, so these are my outputs. Now next, then finish. So this window will appear. You can see here, as you can see here, the X, Y, D, B is same as it was in my PDF document. Okay, so now I have to write the program here. The program I will just make copy from here for no misnomer. Okay, so this is my program. After then I just save the program and run the syntax. Okay, so as you all know about that, from where I have to run the syntax, I just come over the synthesize, and in synthesize I just double click over the syntax. The syntax it will check and the message appear process check syntax completed successfully. After this I have to add here the new sources. The new sources is my VHDL text bench waveform. Then provide a name randomly, click over next, then finish. It will show you the code of the program of your text bench waveform. Nothing to do with that, just write over the simulation, then your behavioral, click over behavioral and again check the syntax. After checking the syntax, just click over the simulate behavioral module and run this. The another window will appear. Okay, the next window will appear, and in this next window you have to select your input. Okay, so what would be your input? Your input would be 0 or 1. I am providing here 0, applying. Again, in another one, I am going to provide 0, apply OK. So here my input is 0, 0. Then run my program. As you can see here, 0, 0 is the input, where D and B is my output. The output in your D, which is actually the ORing of X and Y. And what is the statement of XOR gate? The even number of 1 would provide you higher output. So here output is again 0, carry, oh sorry, here, excuse me, here is borrow. Now you can see here, again I am going to change my input. I am providing here 1. After then I am running the program. So it shows me the D, status of D is 1 and status of B is 0. Okay. Now I am going to add or force constant in another input and run the program. As you can see here, both are 0. Okay. Now I have to change the status of, first input, which is 0, apply here, and again run the program. So it shows me okay, I am going to change the status here. I am providing 0. After then I am running the program. As you can see here, 0, 1 provide me 1, 1. Okay, the 0, 1 provide me 1, 1. You can see here 0, 1 provide me status of 1, 1. So okay. Yes, this is my ultimate 1. This is my status of 0, 1 and 1, 1. So you can verify here your half subtractor. Okay. So this is my 7th experiment in this series. Okay. So hope let you enjoy this. Thank you for next session. For next video I will be with you. Okay. Thank you.